Good evening and welcome to today's edition of the News Bulletin. Here's a quick look at the headlines. Committee on Environment of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly visits Mawphlung to review the ongoing implementation of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. Rainfall deficiency hits Meghalaya. Seasonal variation in rainfall attributed as one of the factors. State to receive a good amount of rainfall in the next couple of days, says IMD. West Khasi Hills resident Medarius Langring received National Award on Swachh Sundar Sauchalya. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said no stone will be left unturned to fulfill the dream of housing for all, which will give wings to crores of aspirations. In a tweet, Mr. Modi said 4 years ago the government has started important initiatives, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, Smart City Mission and the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation with the aim of transforming urban landscape in India. He said these initiatives have not only helped usher in a new paradigm of urban development, but have also transformed crores of lives. Prime Minister said these initiatives have seen record investment, speed, use of technology and public participation. He said the government is committed to further improve the urban infrastructure. The Committee on Environment of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, led by its chairman and Mawphlung legislator Sintar Klasun, today visited the main reservoir of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme at Mawphlung Dam. The other members of the committee include Congress legislators Himalaya Shankliang and Miani Dishira and HSPDP legislator Renington Lingdor. Talking to reporters after the inspection, Sun said that they have inspected the site to know the quality of water drawn from Omeo River, which is the main source of water which feeds the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. According to Sun, the unaccounted water of the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme at present is at least 65%. He added that the Phase 3 of the scheme was taken up with the sole objective to reduce the unaccounted water, which in line with the climate change adaptation program. Sun also said that a decision was also taken to replace the old pipes with the new ones to reduce the leakages to only 15%, adding that this will ensure that at least 85% of the water reach the taps of the consumers.
At the moment, the unaccounted for water, which is the losses, is around 60 to 65%. So that project, Phase 3, was taken up to reduce the unaccounted for water, which is in line with the climate change adaptation program, by replacing all the pipes with new ones to reduce the leakages to only 15%, so that if you supply 100%, 85% of water should reach the tap or should reach the consumers.
Meghalaya is one of the few places in the globe which is well known for the sheer amount of rainfall which it receives throughout the year. But due to many reasons, the state has been witnessing less rainfall since last year, which is evident from the water level of Umiam Lake. Here is a detailed report.
Even though there could be many reasons why Meghalaya and other neighbouring states are receiving less amount of rainfall in the last and current year, the Indian Meteorological Department Shillong is of the opinion that the decrease is because of seasonal variation of rainfall. The director of IMD Shillong, Sanjay Bist, while talking to RNU DDK Shillong, said that the seasonal variation in rainfall is attributed to the state receiving less rainfall last year. He said the yearly monsoon had already reached and the state will receive a good amount of rainfall in the next couple of days and hopefully compensate the decreased rainfall which the state went short of.
Monsoon is already covered whole northeast on 16 June and now it's progressing very good, and next 5 days we will be getting good rainfall over Meghalaya. Last year we get less rainfall in northeast. It's a seasonal variability, and this time also we have received still less rain than last year. below normal, but we will compensate. We will getting rain in coming days. Nice.
Meghalaya received 1,096.2 mm of rainfall last year, while in 2017 the state received 1,888.6 millimeters of rainfall, which is 25% less, while in 2016 the amount was just 1,270.9 mm, and in 2015 the amount was higher with 1,548.3 mm of rainfall. The director further said that good rains are expected to continue over most parts of Meghalaya in the coming days, and the intensity of these rainfall activities will increase. During that time, very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall activity will lash parts of the state. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
In a matter of pride for the state, Medarius Langrin of Maulite Village, Nongstoin CNRD Block, West Khasi Hills District received the National Award on Swachh Sundar Sauchalaya on Monday from the Minister of Jal Shakti Gajendra Singh Shekhawat at Vigya Bhavan, New Delhi. Medarius was accompanied by the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District, T. Lingwa, and the staff of Swachh Bharat Mission. The Swachh Sundar Sauchalaya campaign was organized from the 1st to the 31st of January 2019 across the country as an opportunity to paint toilets and give them a facelift across rural India. From all the nominated painted toilets, the one painted by Medarius Langrin was highly appreciated and was awarded as one of the Special Recognition Award in the individual household toilet category. All India Radio Shillong is looking for young engineering graduates and diploma holders in electrical, electronics and communication branches for apprenticeship with stipend. The number of apprentices required is 2 numbers of graduate engineers and 4 numbers of diploma holders. Interested candidates may submit their application on or before the 5th of July 2019 to the address the Deputy Director General Engineering, All India Radio Shillong. The selection for the 1-year apprenticeship is purely on merit by an interview. The contact number is 944-784-9198. And now we look at the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded in the city is 26.5 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 18.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity recorded in the morning was 82%, while in the evening was 81%. The recorded rainfall is 1.5 mm. And the forecast says that the city and its adjoining areas will have a generally cloudy sky. Before we wind up, here's a quick look at the headlines again. Committee on Environment of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly visits Mawphlang to review the ongoing implementation of Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme. Rainfall deficiency hits Meghalaya. Seasonal variation in rainfall attributed as one of the factors. The state to receive a good amount of rainfall in the next couple of days, says IMD. And West Khasi Hills resident Medarius Langrin receives National Award on Swachh Sundar Sauchalaya. And that is all we have for you today in this edition of the news. Do join us back tomorrow for more news in details.